Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create spray paint text effect in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool, merging of layers, applying field blur, changing of blending mode, and using effects like color overlay and using underlying layer. Now let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here this brick wall that is perfect for the spray paint effect. And yes, the first step we're going to do is we're going to create the text layer with the use of a type tool. So going on to the toolbar, let's go and find this T icon. Yes, this one, or you can just press T for the shortcut key. Then click that, and then let's apply it on our canvas. But yes, on the options panel, I'm going to set the font style to LSD in the water. Yes, I like this font style here. I'm also going to set the color picker to white. All right, now let's apply it here. So click it on the canvas and let's type down our text. So I'm going to type down our channel name. Now let's just rescale this one. So going on to the layers panel, click on the text layer to make it active. Then press Ctrl or Command plus T for the transformation. Now I'm going to click and drag those anchor points out to increase the size. Okay, something like this. And let's put it here in the center. Let's just add some design to this. So let's just add shadow. So on the layers panel, on that text layer, press Ctrl or Command plus J to create a duplicate layer. And then click on this layer below. Then go to the contextual taskbar, or you can also go to the options panel because we're going to change the color of it to black. So yes, let's use the contextual taskbar for now. So click on this and then set this one to blank. All right, now with that text layer below, press Ctrl or Command plus T. Then I'm going to press left key to move it to the left. All right. All right, now I'm good with this. Now you can already go to the contextual taskbar, then hit done, or you can just press OK. All right, now this one I already have a design. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Now the next step here, now we're going to merge those two text layers. So on the layers panel, click on the stop layer, then press shift, hold it, and click on the lower text layer. Now they are both selected. Right click on it, and then select merge layers. There you go. So those two layers turn into one. All right. Now this time, we're going to convert this layer to a smart object. So right click on it, and then select convert to smart object. There you are. All right, then from this text layer, we're going to change the blend mode of it. So go here on the blending mode, just click on this arrow down, and then we're going to set this one to dissolve. In this moment, now we're going to apply the field blur. So with that layer selected, go to the menu bar, go to filter, go to blur gallery, and choose field blur. We have this pin on our mouse cursor. So this one is used to pin to apply a blur on a specific area. So just like here on this part, so I'm going to click to create a pin. There you go. Now I'm going to increase the amount by moving this fill clockwise into amount of 40. All right. So this one is okay. Okay. So now also here, click this one, and then this time, we're going to put the blur just into a fewer amount this time. So 22 is fine. Also here, all right, this one, let's give it a higher percentage of blur. And here as well, okay, 20 is fine. All right, let's also apply here in the middle. Let's make it higher this time, 46. All right, so any kind of amount on each pin can do. It's up to you. All right, well, this one is better. Let's go to the options panel and select OK. There you go. Then, next part is that we're going to make use of the blending options. So, going on to the layers panel, right click on that text layer, go to blending options. All right, so this layer style window will appear. All right, so first, let's go on the color overlay. Yeah, take this one. Click on it, then click on the color overlay for us to change the kind of color you want. By the way, under the color overlay, now we're going to change the color of our text here. So on the blending mode, yes, we're going to click this one and set this one to multiply. And click on this for the color picker. So once I open this one, we have this color picker window. And you can already change the kind of color you want on your text. You can change it to yellow, red, blue, anything you want. But in my case, I'll be choosing green. All right, for the opacity, that is also set to 100%. Now, let's go to the blending options. Click on this. Under the blending options, let's go under blend if. You can see here the underlying layer. All right, so we're going to split this half, this cursor here. All right, so to do that, I'm going to press Alt, hold it, and click and drag. Once I did that, you can see that we already divide this cursor into two. So for on the other half, I'm going to increase the size and look at the effect when I start increasing the amount of it. All right, so I'm going to set this one into 115. All right, this one is okay. Blends well on the wall. All right, well, try to notice on this part, on the cracks, or yes, on those black spaces of the bricks. Well, it has color too, right? Well, to fix that, also on the underlying layer, yeah, the other half of it, I'm going to click and drag just a little bit to remove those green on the cracks. All right, so look at that. When I set this one into amount of 25, well, it looks much better. All right, and it's up to you. You can also play around with this underlying layer. We can keep on increasing this one, the other half. Okay, so let's say 33. All right, and that's it. Once you're good with it, we can already hit OK. And there you have it. So let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create spray paint text effect in Photoshop.